Hello everyone, this is the video number 13 for our house events application which I am preparing for our group ASP.NET MVC code first. Okay, so in the last video, if you remember, we talked about the client-side validation. Today we will try to override the Bootstrap basic styles, colors, and I will show you how you can add third-party fonts and use them in the application. So let's start simple. That first of all, I would like to change the color of this navbar. Right click, inspect element, and I am using this one Google Developer Tool. And if you select this element, and I'm interested to find out right side the element style, the background color, does not pin here. So let's select the parent one. Okay, this is the background color. If you want a live preview of this one, you can just change it here directly, whatever color you like, and based on the brand you are promoting or the website is about, you can choose a theme. Here I will use this color FF4342, and as well as the watercolor. I hope the screen size is not that small. Anyway, okay, FF. Here let me change. So select the color as per your requirement. So this is the color and looks fine to me. That's why I will copy this style so that I could save it and use it, because currently this is just in the current client browser memory. So back to our solution, and there is a file site.css in our content folder. Let's go there, and here actually I don't want to override the default Bootstrap's styles, so I will put my overrides here in site.css. You can do that to have this one in the, okay, slash and star Bootstrap's overrides, and let me paste here the style. So navbar inverse, the first thing. And I also would like, because if you notice when we change this background, our links are not that visible or good looking, because there is some contrast with the background color. So let's change those. Right click, inspect. So here we have the element selected, and here we have the background color for this element. So this one, the color of the A tag. Let me copy this one back to Visual Studio, and you can change here directly, or you can test it first in the browser and then change it here. So I am going with the white color. Back. So our links are now white as well, but this one, the brand itself does not put this color because it's a different class, navbar brand. Let me copy and overwrite this style. Copy. So this is really straightforward and simple thing to adjust. If you have a interest in the design, then definitely you could do a lot better what I'm doing right now here with the colors. Okay, so these colors looks fine to me for now. Okay, the second thing is we would like to change the fonts here, because they come with the default template. So let's right click and inspect element. So this class, if you see here, this is the element selected P. If I go to the computed tab and select this font family, so here are the fonts which are being used for this P tag. So they are defined here in bootstrap.css class. Let me go there, and this is the body tag. So I would like to change this font with some other font. You can use any third party or your in-house fonts, but what I'm going to use is google.com/fonts. This is open source, free, and here you have list of fonts available. So you can choose anyone what you like, and actually I am going for this font, Lato. So let me add this one to collection, and let's do one more thing. Let me open this page. So I would like you to have notice this change in another tab. So I will, oh, let's, I will apply my changes there, refresh that page. So when we compare both, we will have some nice, yeah, okay. So in the meantime, it's opening, and I already was on Google Font. Okay, okay. So here is a button, add to collection. Click this button. You can select multiple fonts what you like. I just leave those to you. Here is the review button. You can review those fonts, how they will be presented or look. And there is a use tab. And here you can select some other settings, how intense or if you like bold those ones are. And there are two things here. One is the add this code to your website. Here is the link to their style sheet, and see here in the family they have included some query string. So I will copy this link to Real Studio to our layout, and before our this render of CSS, just paste this one here. So we have added this style sheet, save, and now let's go back. So we need to modify what we are existing using. Let's say one is in body tag, and if I search this one, okay, Control F, where else? Look at the another change while we are here. Let me go back here. No, this will be not changed, so I will not touch this one here. See these headings? Let me select these ones as well. Inspect element, and if I go to the computed, the styles are H1, H2, H3, these styles. If I go to computed, font family, and again they are defined here in BootStrap, and these heading and the corresponding classes are also using this one. So body and these headings, let me copy these ones. Copy, Visual Studio. We already have added the link to fonts site, and this comes from our BootStrap. Yes. Let me type here body. Okay, so I don't want to modify font weight and line height, and this is the style we want to override. With what? Already shown you. Back again, Google Fonts. Here they have given an example that if we want to use this font family, we just need to include it. So it is the Lato in this case. Back to Visual Studio, and let me change here the Lato. Because I did not remove these ones because I want them to be there as a fallback. But instead my preferred font will be the Lato one. Okay, so let me save it with these overrides in place and go back to this one. Okay, now close this one. This is our page. Let me refresh it. Okay, it's taking a while, I don't know. Okay, now pay attention. See this one, this font, and when I will switch to the older version before applying this to this element, how it was. See, there is a change. Even if you are noticing it's very slight, but these things matters for designing. And yeah, so in the next video actually, which is the part of this one, I will talk about how you can override the styles of this form. For example, when we click here, it has some focus and hover effects, and yeah, we will talk about it. And if you have any question in meantime about any other things here which I have mentioned, just please ask me. I will try to answer. And actually there was one more thing. During the last week, I have actually published this website on the Windows IR as well. So I will also have a couple of videos about how you can publish it to any specific environment. But for now, just click this publish how, and we will talk about it. So if it is now publishing to houseevent.airwebsites.net, and you see our changes are there as well. So thank you very much for watching this video, and bye bye.